Hello, welcome back. What we're going to do now is insert the sausage into the hole, into the boilie gun chamber head. So we just throw that in and try and get as much in as you can, because that'll just compress down and like to halfway. Let's rip the top off there. Just give it a push down with the plunger there. Oh, there we go. And just all the way back and attach it. Same goes for the manual one as well. When it's clean and been washed. Now there's a two-tone. We grab the rolling table. Hell of a lot easier. First thing you must do though when using the 12-volt battery charged boilie gun is attach the battery. There we go, that's for normal. You see how they're egg shaped? That's because the nozzle is 15mm and the boilie table is 16mm. It's got to be 2mm smaller to make it right. That's why they have gone horrible egg shaped. We've got little holes in the middle as you can see through. But never mind, we'll just roll them round and just place them on a plate anyway. That's good to show you. And as you can see, they're two-tone. You can see brown and red there. And two different flavours, obviously because we mix them separately. Just roll them. You can do it like this, you don't need a rolling table, you can roll it by hand. You know, but I would advise doing 20 kilos. May take a while, you know. There we go. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to change the nozzle on this now. Because that's 15, that's 16. And I want a 16, so I'm going to do 18. And funnily enough, I could have done a 20 mil. I could have made 20mm boilies, but the same guy who lent my boilie gun lent my 20mm rolling table as well. Never got it back. Never got it back. That's 14mm. Yeah, that's 14. That's 14mm. So I can make 16mm. This is 16mm actually. That's the wrong size. If I just pull that back. Mixing now. Lovely stuff. Lovely stuff. You've got to get it in the grooves there, and there's a lot of messing about, but once you get it sorted you can just blitz these. There we go. Still not come through properly. don't mind. We should get the nice round ones. There we go, see? That one, because it was a little bit fatter, made it a bit bigger. But as you see, it's just that 1 millimetre makes all the difference. Makes all the difference. You see the little two-tone, little red and brown? You can see there. Red and brown. Let's place them on the plate. And you can just crack on all night like this now. Sticky that actually. Just a bit of oil on there. Yeah, it's just getting a bit sticky there. The mix is a bit sticky. Throw that back in there. Just for a bit. If it gets like that sticky, just grab yourself. Well, I can't actually because it's been put away now. Well, never mind. Just grab yourself a bit of oil. Just rub a bit of oil on there. I was going to put a bit of salmon oil on, but I can't now. But what I will do, I'll grab myself the 16mm. But I have to use this on the floor because I've got no board. Like so. We'll have a go on this one. There's one. And we'll go for two, see if we can get two. That's it, it's out of mix now. But what you have to do here, you have to stop it from sliding, which is the hardest part. See, it slides there, you've got to get it to a roll. It's good, as I said, screw down to something, but I've got nothing to screw down to. I'll just try and put my foot on that. Just hold it steady there. There we go. Okay, a little bit, there's two joined together there. But the majority of them are tipped up. A couple stuck to the top. It's the mix is a little bit sticky. That's why it's going a little bit like that. But you can understand the gist of it. Now what we do now, we just roll them straight into the water. Put the timer on. Okay. 16mm. We'll go for 2 minutes, 2.5 maximum. And just roll them in there. See how the water's cooled down now, we put them in there. And I could do just a little bit of oil. I've got a little bit of cooking oil here, this might do the trick. I just put a bit on my fingers there. And just rub it in. It gets warm in the kitchen after that pan boiling. now we're going to load the gun back up. Ooh, pull that out. Ooh. That was a good shot, wasn't it? The thing is, you need quite a bit of space to do this sort of thing. A little fancy table like here is no good. Roll out your sausage. Mix that one in there.